7 up there like crazy balls. Crazy balls. They're doing alright. I'm gonna let the hens out soon, because I don't want them flying too long due to not having all their wings. I don't want their growing wings to get weird or damaged or anything like that. Where are they? I don't know if I'm going to grab it, but it zoomed like 6 times. It should though. Four. There is 2 lower ones, but there's 7 like really high. Doing great, like little tiny bees. Where are they? I'll catch them. Damn, where did they go? They're up there. I've got the hens out. Let them do about 30-40, then I'll let out all the birds, let them have an open day. The males, the 6 of them went up crazy high. That's the difference when you give them the canary food, just a bit of mix and grit. Can't even see them anymore. The camera won't get them. The camera won't get them. They're up there. If it will, I don't know, try. There's the hens. Again, let their wings grow properly, and then we'll let them go for way longer then. That's how we like them. Like them flying above the loft. And once the wings are fully grown, it's going to be great. Imagine I get all these 30 young ones after a while as well, going up for these. Fingers crossed. Hawk happens. That's the problem. They're doing alright. I haven't given the hens the canary food yet, the lighter food. I got birds out. I have to go. I've got a couple of appointments to do, and the birds are still up there. That's over an hour, but I have to go. Not going to find out. That's likely come down, but yeah, they'll probably do another Harvey to an hour. Oh well, things we've got to do.